Hello children, today I am going to explain lines and angles, chapter number 5. In your previous classes, you already learned about the definitions of line, line segments, rays, angles, etc. Today I am going to explain the definitions again. First definition is line segment. A line segment has two endpoints. It is denoted by AB and it is represented as AB. If you observe here, the starting point is A and the ending point is B. So it is having two endpoints at A and at B. Coming to the next definition, ray. A ray has one endpoint. It is denoted by AB. If we extend one side of a line segment, we will get a ray here. Even you can extend at A. Since we are extending at B, we are representing as AB, the arrow mark at B. Coming to the definition of a line. A line has no endpoints. It is denoted by AB with left hand side arrow mark and right hand side arrow mark. That is nothing but we are extending the line segment on either sides. At B we are extending the line segment and A we are extending the line segment. So it is not having endpoints. Coming to the definition of an angle. An angle is formed when two rays or line segments meet at one point. Here I have given an example. Here ray OP and ray OQ are meeting at the point O. Here POQ is the angle formed. This O we are calling it as vertex and OP and OQ we are calling it as arms. In this example, in the triangle ABC, we have three angles at angle A, angle B and angle C. Now let us learn about types of angles. Here, first angle is acute angle. An angle less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. Here 45 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So it is an acute angle. Now coming to next angle, right angle. An angle exactly equal to 90 degrees is a right angle. Here exactly 90 degrees is a right angle. Next angle is obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Here I have taken an example 130 degrees. It is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. And the next angle is straight angle. An angle exactly equal to 180 degrees is a straight angle. Here if you see the example, it is a straight angle. It is exactly equal to 180 degrees. And next angle is reflex angle. An angle greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. Here I have taken an example of angle having 290 degrees which is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. And the last angle is complete angle. The angle which is exactly equal to 360 degrees, that angle we are calling it as complete angle. Our next topic is related angles. In that, first is complementary angles. When sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degrees, that angles we are calling it as complementary angles. Example, here it is 20 degrees and 70 degrees. To sum of the two angles 20 and 70 is equal to 90 degrees. So here 20 is complementary to 70 degrees and 70 is complementary to 20 degrees. Similarly, another example, here 45 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So these angles are called as complementary angles. Some more examples. Here 10 degrees plus 80 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So 10 degrees is the complementary angle of 80 degrees and 80 degrees is complementary to 10 degrees. And 1 degree plus 89 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Here 1 degree and 89 degrees are complementary angles and they are complementary to each other. Similarly, 5 degrees plus 85 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Here 5 and 85 degrees are called as complementary angles and 5 degrees is complementary angle to 85 degrees and 85 degrees is complementary angle to 5 degrees. Now you will have a question here. When can two acute angles be a complementary angles and two obtuse angles be a complementary angles and two right angles be a complementary angles? Here I have given a detailed explanation for your question. If I take two acute angles, these two acute angles may or may not be complementary. Why? Because here you have taken two acute angles but the sum of the two acute angles is 90 degrees. Here I have given an example. 20 degrees is an acute angle and also 30 degrees is an acute angle. But sum of 20 degrees and 30 degrees is 50 degrees which is not equal to 90 degrees. So we can conclude that two acute angles may not always be complementary angles. Now coming to the next one. Can two obtuse angles be complementary angles? Obviously, two obtuse angles cannot be a complementary angle. The definition of an obtuse angle gives that the angle is more than 90 degrees. So here I have taken 90 degrees plus 91 degrees plus 91 degrees which is equal to 182 degrees which is greater than 90 degrees. So we can conclude that two obtuse angles cannot be complementary to each other. And the next one is two right angles can be a complementary. Similarly, two right angles cannot be a complementary to each other because 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees which is greater than 90 degrees. So that we can conclude that two right angles cannot be a complementary angles. Our next topic is supplementary angles. When sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degrees, that angles we are calling it as supplementary angles. Examples of supplementary angles. Here I am taking one obtuse angle, one acute angle. Here obtuse angle I am taking more than 90, 100 plus acute angle is 80 degrees. So 100 plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. These two angles are supplementary angles. And one more example I have taken here, 135 degrees plus 45 degrees which is equal to 180 degrees. If you observe here children, here one angle I am taking it as obtuse angle, one angle I am taking it as acute angle. Similarly here also if you observe here, one angle is obtuse angle more than 90 degrees and one angle is acute angle which is less than 90 degrees. So we may say that sum of obtuse angle and acute angle may or may not form a supplementary angle. Then you will have a doubt. We will have a question that can sum of the two obtuse angles be a supplementary angles or sum of two acute angles be a supplementary angles or sum of two right angles be a supplementary angles. We will have a small discussion about that. First question, we can have a doubt that can two obtuse angles be supplementary angles. First of all, what are obtuse angles? The angles more than 90 degrees we are calling it as obtuse angles. In this I am taking example 91 degrees plus 91 degrees which is equal to 180 degrees which is greater than 180 degrees. So obviously the two obtuse angles are not supplementary angles. And next one, can two acute angles be supplementary angles? Acute angles means again they should be less than 90 degrees. So here I am taking an example. 89 degrees plus 89 degrees is equal to 178 degrees which is less than 180 degrees. So here also we can conclude that two acute angles cannot be supplementary angles. And the last question is, can two right angles be supplementary angles? Right angles means each angle should be 90 degrees. So sum of 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So sum of two right angles or two right angles are supplementary angles.